In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order and pay on the Forever 21 app through this full tutorial. We're going to walk through the entire process step by step to make sure you have a seamless shopping experience right from your phone. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the checkout section of the Forever 21 app. You can do this by browsing through their product offerings, adding your chosen items to your cart, and then proceeding to checkout. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to choose your country. For this tutorial, let's go with the United States. This ensures your order is processed with the correct shipping and payment options for your region. Next, it's time to fill in some essential information. Start by entering your full name. This should be the name that matches both your identification and payment methods to avoid any discrepancies during shipping or billing. Now, you'll need to input your delivery address. An example address could look like this: 123 Main Street, Anytown, CA 91234. Be sure to fill out each line accurately, including your street address, city, state, and zip code. Double checking these details is crucial since they ensure your package is delivered right to your doorstep without any hitches. Following that, you'll select your state. In this case, you can click on California if that is where you're located. This helps tailor shipping options to your specific state requirements. Moving forward, enter your contact number. For example, you might input something like 1-212-456-7890. This number is important for any delivery confirmations or updates, as well as for the carrier to reach you should any issues arise with the delivery process. When you've completed these sections, go ahead and click on the option to continue to shipping. Here, you'll review the shipping options available based on your location and choose the one that best suits your needs, whether that's standard, expedited, or any other method offered. After that's set, click on Continue to Payment. This is where you'll decide how you wish to pay for your purchase. You will see several options, but for a straightforward process, let's focus on card payments. Here, you'll be asked to input your card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Take your time to ensure everything is entered accurately to prevent any payment issues. Finally, once all your information is entered and you've confirmed that everything looks correct, click on the Pay Now button. This will process your order and you'll receive a confirmation page and an email outlining your purchase details. And that's it. You've now successfully placed your order on the Forever 21 app. Hopefully this tutorial was comprehensive and helped simplify the process for you. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.